everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you a little trick that you can use if you're trying to grow on social media and you're creating videos. So this requires CapCut, but it's free, so no worries about that. It's very easy to do. You can do it from your phone and from your computer if you want to. Let me show you. Let's go. So you'll go to CapCut and just take any video you want. So I'm gonna just pick that one because why not? So what you're gonna do, you'll add the video and you want to cut it every 1 second. So here, one cut. So every 1 second you're gonna cut it. 3. So it doesn't have to be very long. Can be shorter. The video can be shorter, it doesn't have to be that long. So you cut it. And then I'm gonna do 10, 9, and 10. And then what you want to do, you just want to delete every second video. So this one, then we're gonna delete this one, and then this one, and this one, and I'll delete that one too. So now if you play the video, you're gonna have that, that effect. Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here if you haven't done so. And I'll see you on the next video for anything about making money online, whether it's with social media or if it's a new app where you can make money online. I'll try to share with you. See you. Bye.